Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday evening or day or morning, wherever you are. I guess, yeah, for some people it's still morning maybe. Um, what a day so far. Oh my God. I'm actually waiting for Trump to speak. I was hoping that would have been done already at 12, but I guess he's always late now. So yeah, I guess when he comes on, I just want to put him on. I think that would be nice. So that's the idea for now. I'm not getting short yet. I just want to wait what's going to be said. Um, I hope some people got this beautiful move. I got this move partially. So I did very well on my funded accounts. I did take it on a funded, which I shouldn't really have done actually, but I did. Um, yeah, I had a short bias in London, and that went pretty much out of the window, obviously. Um, yeah, that is not more, that's not in play anymore at the moment. Um, let's go over some scenarios because I do want to point out. So this was the London move. We didn't have SMT with ES. Initially, I thought I missed that SMT right over here. So we hit this AMRP low zone and the AMRP high is right over here. Let me show you. So, this is already was on the indicator. So it was sort of like, if we are going up, we are going into the zones. Obviously, we extended. As you can see, we extended the move almost by 100 points. So could it be done? Let's see. So what I did here, this blue box, is actually the inverted TGIF. The TGIF, if you would have the, let's say, take this weekly range and you go 20% into the range back, it was somewhere around here. We overextended, and now what I noticed from journaling, that if you extend it, it gives you a lot of information. What happens a lot is that it just fluts around in this area at some point, but it does respect the inverted TGIF levels. That's something I just, according to my journals, I just tried that out. And we went over that 40%. Let's see what happens. So as you can see right now, the bodies are still below 30%. So let's see. I just want to wait for that news. He's really late, right? It's 12:33 right now. I don't want to do anything before the news came out because I just don't want to get caught in the news. But yeah, you would think there's more room to the upside, right? Where's my OTE level? It might be there might not be a lot to do anymore because we had a big run and they might leave the rest for next week, but we'll see if there's an opportunity to take it. And if not, we just have to accept, right? It was quite a good week, to be honest. It was quite a good week. Let me just just put you here. Stream what he's speaking. Found another one where we should always listen, but I don't want to put him on that. Let's see the chat. Here we go. You're going off. Now let's see. We can find Trumpy. There's a lot of people already done trading for today and already started the weekend, right? Which is a good thing. Take your money and run. Just enjoy the weekend. And if you have a bad week, it's also a good thing just to stop for the weekend. Just He's still not speaking. He is not speaking yet. Okay. Now, let's have a close look. Yeah, we could just hang around between this area, which is also in that AMRP's in the TGIF zone. I call it the inverted TGIF. Something I discovered. It's below, and we're still below 30%. Go over it and go all the way up. Back in the range. Well, that's why we want to know what Trump is going to say, if it's going to do anything with the market, right? I mean, if it's something really positive for the market, it might cause a reaction. But then again, I just, sometimes it's just, if you look at these levels on the weekly, they're already printed, right? And isn't it a coincidence that Powell speaks and it moves right up and it goes into this area, which is the end of the week. And we have a nice move into the morning, exactly to the AMRP, mid-level, and then we overextend. So I guess if the news was a little bit less dovish, maybe it just would go up here. But isn't it already predefined, right? It's the market maker. We had a beautiful and full market maker model. Trace into it. Boom. Yeah, we just have to wait. Wait. Let's just wait. Why's the quality of the camera so bad? It's better. Shouldn't be that bad. Should. Or is it my eyes? Am I getting blind here? No, looks good. Here's my glasses. So technically, I do like it when you have a big move and it just it consolidates a little bit or doesn't move too much, because that gives a higher probability for the PM session. But on the other hand, if I look at it's Friday, we're in this zone of this inverted TGIF. We're in a fair value gap. What to expect, right? So we just want to know if Trump is going to say. It's annoying that I don't mind that he's a little bit late, but he's like really, really late. It's like over 40 minutes now. It's 12:40. That's licorice. can get it here in South Africa. I do pay a lot of money for it compared to it pay from the Netherlands. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So it's quite. There's no news been leaked about what the news is going to be about. So we'll just go over a few, see a couple of. Has anyone already? Come on, Trump. We need you to speak because then we can move on with the trading. We can know if there's really something going on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. That will be something. We just tanked the market all the way back down to this inward. That would be crazy. Mm-hmm. Monthly mid level over the 1/4 or over the 1/3. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. What did the week be? Was interesting. Sorry for eating the licorice, guys. It's sort of sticky. Okay, let's just make this measurement here. Let's see if it reached a significant level. Is Trump live? Still not. Jeez. Fashionably late. I mean, he's a president, he can do whatever he wants, but I mean, just don't say that you're going to be on it. What was it, 12 o'clock? I already thought, okay, last time he was also half hour late. Okay. I'm not going to move my stream because probably by the time, I get live, he's probably talking. Guess what? He's still not talking. Okay, we did not make it to a significant day. Okay. Okay, so this would be a retest of a breaker on the daily. So we can come up further down. We're below my 1202 here. It's really hard to make a proper prediction right now. I'll just read the. For me, this is already a little bit worrying that we made it to this level. We're in a fair value gap. Like, are we really going higher? Are we going to go? Are we going to be bearish now and leave this area again? It's 1:45. Okay, come on, pal. Come on. $45. Very late. I think everyone is waiting for Trump, right? I mean, we're foolish not to want to hear the news because we don't know if it's going to impact the end market. Okay. Here we go. Oh, come on, Trumpy. Come on. Let's go. Needs to get something. I'll be right back. Oh, shit. Hold on. Yeah, there's not much to do now because of the speech that's coming, which can perhaps cause some reaction. Just have to wait. Just have to wait and see. Oh, that looks better. I think I might glance for a little bit dirty. I don't have much entertainment yet, so I guess it's people like the other streamers with music, and they should get into that as well. Music. I don't think so, but some entertainment to make it more fun and times like this. Come on now. It's getting a little bit annoying. Almost an hour late. Okay, well. Is he now speaking or not? Let's see. She's the real.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it. On Latin American cartel operations. We could be talking about breaking out predator drones, blowing up cartel operations deep in the Mexican jungle. We could be talking about deploying the National Guard to the streets of all of these sanctuary cities. We could be talking about a new breakthrough with the Trump and Russia peace negotiations.
Still not. Let's see what's going on. Are we maybe? I guess they are just going. Oh. Just give it a little bit more, but then I'm just going to log off, I guess, because there's really not much. I wonder if there's really a lot to do. I think it's just going to be very quiet, so maybe this should be it. Let's just wait. If he's not on before 1 o'clock, just gonna let it go because it's time to go for the weekend. So we are trickling down somewhat. So still within this range here. Let's gonna get rid of this. Still nothing. And sometimes just if you look at the price action, is it just going to move anyway, regardless of the news, right? It's sort of like maybe planned in advance because it's moving to the downside now. Everybody's looking at his watch. There we go. We just already. So sometimes I'm just really wondering if it's just all, we're moving into the. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they are minus of them. We could overextend in this. We haven't been in this one. We need some relief, right? At some point, and even though we go up, we do need some. Even the markets are fed up waiting. They're just like, you know what? We're just going to move without him. Who cares? We have to meet our objectives anyway, so we don't care. We use the news, but if he's late, we're just going to do it without him. I guess so, right? We're just going to move down for the time being. Trump's still not there. Jesus. Is there any news that they adjusted the time, perhaps? That would be nice if they would do that. Oh, we're late. Just don't show up until 1 or 1:30. Let me see if there's anything open. Nothing. I can find anything. It's so annoying. It's 1 o'clock now. I think I'm just gonna leave it at here because. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it here because I don't think there's much going to happen, and we have this talk coming. Maybe I don't know how long it's going to take. So just gonna leave it here. Okay. Well, everybody, I wish you a very pleasant weekend. Go have some fun. It's weekend, and just enjoy. The marks will be there.